Werner, heat, fire, sound, insulation plasters. Internationally, energy is one of the most significant influences of wealth, as well as causes for wars. The inconsistency of energy costs is staggering in all economies. The cheapest and risk-free energy is saved energy. Werner is a brand of plaster and screed products providing insulation against heat, fire, and acoustics. Werner branded products, produced from expanded perlite and silicates, contain cement-binding agents with technological mineral additives. Werner Plasters provides excellent heat insulation with a low lambda H thermal conductivity value, 0.055 to 0.070 watts per meter Kelvin. Note that the average lambda H value of rock wool and glass wool insulation materials is 0.065 watts per meter Kelvin. Werner products are rated as A1 class according to Euroclass, European Fire Classification System, which is the highest non-combustible category and is fire resistant. Expanded perlite is used around the world for fire insulation of numerous types of buildings and materials. The fire resistance value of Werner products measured for a thickness of 2 centimeters is F60. Plaster with a thickness of 2 centimeters resists heat from fire for a minimum of 60 minutes. Werner products have a high acoustic isolation feature. The products absorb noise and the impact of sound, creating quiet spaces. The values obtained from the acoustic isolation test on the plaster and screed groups were excellent, the highest among similar products. Werner plaster and screed group products are highly resistant to outdoor weather conditions. Werner plaster has 2 to 7 times higher resistance than conventional plasters against the effects of salts, acids, and bases carried by airborne moisture. That makes it one of the most suitable products for the high humidity atmospheric conditions of sea regions. Werner products are very lightweight. 1 cubic meter of plaster is 250 kilograms in dry form. 1 cubic meter of screed is 400 kilograms in dry form. The average value is 1,800 kilograms per cubic meter for conventional cement-based plasters and screeds. Werner plaster does not impose a heavy weight load on buildings, particularly in multi-floor buildings. The average weight of conventional screed and plaster used in an apartment of 200 square meters is 60 tons. The weight is 9 tons for the same apartment when Werner products are used. Application of Werner products is easy and fast. The processing time of plaster group products is long. It begins to harden in a minimum of 60 minutes at a temperature of 40 degrees Celsius. This makes Werner products ideal applications for hotter climates. Plaster group products can be applied either manually or by machine. The screed product is easily poured using a light concrete mixer. Buildings insulated with Werner products produce very high energy savings. A villa using Werner products for internal and external plasters and terrace ground screeds consumes 60% less energy than other villas of the same architecture built with conventional plasters and screeds. We have calculation samples with us, and you can have one if you would like. Also, if you prefer, we can email them to you. An average villa with a ground area of 2,500 square feet, 2 floors, an open terrace, reinforced concrete and cinder block walls, outer cement plaster, inner gypsum plaster, and an outdoor terrace and ground floor built with screed and cement should have an electrical energy of 250,000 kilowatts in order for its inside temperature to be 20 degrees Celsius for 1 year. The annual electricity cost of such a villa is $15,500 US, based on a calculation of 250,000 kilowatts at a cost of 6.2 US cents per kilowatt of electricity. When the same villa is plastered outside with Werner Plaster and the inside with Werner Ergo, and the ground floor and terrace screeds are made with Werner Screed, the electrical energy required in order for its inner temperature to be 20 degrees Celsius for 1 year is 96,000 kilowatts. The annual cost of electricity of the villa would be $5,950 based on a calculation of 96,000 kilowatts at a cost of 6.2 cents per kilowatt of electricity. Note, the electricity unit price in BAE is approximately 6.2 cents. Air conditioning occurs naturally with Werner products, and therefore the requirement for air conditioning is reduced by a minimum of 60%. This prevents many diseases caused by an air conditioner. Green air conditioning is vital to a healthy life. Werner products are guaranteed natural air conditioning. Werner products are environmentally friendly. Expanded perlite, the main element of production, is antibacterial. It has been used all over the world for many years in the filtering of many food-related liquids, including drinking water, cooking oils, and fruit juices. Werner products adhere easily to many different types of surfaces, including concrete, cinder blocks, aerated concrete, brick, glass, wood, and metal, etc., because adherence is very high. In reinforced concrete structures, it lasts as long as the life of the building without losing its properties. Werner plaster and screed products completely cover reinforced concrete and filled walls without leaving any gaps. Therefore, it is especially suitable for steel structures and maintains a maximum level against corrosive elements such as fire and salt. Werner Screed functions as a complete buffer due to its high isolation feature, not only in terrace thermal insulation, but also between floors in apartment buildings. It absorbs the impact of sound, such as the heels of shoes and running on treadmills, and provides a quiet environment. It contributes to energy saving by providing high thermal insulation between floors. Werner products are manufactured in Turkey at our high-capacity facilities using local natural volcanic perlite. We provide full logistics support and storage in other countries through Werner and our parent companies. We wish you a healthy, happy, and peaceful life. Thank you.